Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be opening some select 22-23 NBA trading cards. My wife's birthday is today, and I took her to Cracker Barrel for breakfast because that's what she wanted. And when we were leaving, I saw they had sports cards, so I grabbed a couple. I grabbed a box, and we're going to open it and see what we get. Got my trusty Matco knife and my trusty wife right beside me. So
I'm not from Matco.
she's not from Matco. So we shall see.
Cool box. Purple is going to be good luck.
Yeah, that's her favorite color is purple. So
Cool color.
let's open it. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs. Over here, set that in the box. A little wrapper, set that in. All right. And here we go. See what we get. Ayo Dosunmu, Bam Adebayo, AJ Griffin, and a turbocharged LeBron James.
Turbo. Wow, that is a cool
That is a
looking card.
pretty card.
I prefer Jordan, but that's a nice card.
Yeah. We're a Jordan family around here. But LeBron, I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying he's not a great player. He is a great player. He's a phenomenal player. But he's not Jordan. That's all I'm saying about that.
That card is amazing looking too.
Jalen Suggs, Tyler Hero, Malcolm Brogdon, and then we got a Desmond Bain. That's pretty too.
All of them are.
That's real pretty.
His jersey.
That's just a prism, so that's a base or a parallel, but that is pretty.
These are my favorite cards so far.
Ousmane Dean, Julius Randle, Trae Young, Stephen Curry. That's pretty, a prism.
Doesn't Tia like him?
Mm-hmm.
They're making the cards really good looking.
Oh, yeah. All right, then we got Ochai Agbaji, Jaylen Brown, Ty Washington Jr., and an Ochai Agbaji. Wow, that's cool. That's his rookie. And I got both his rookie cards, but that's a prism.
You get an A for effort on these name pronunciation.
I'm trying so hard. Trying so hard to try and pronounce them right. Tyrese Halliburton, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Jaden Ivey,
Ooh.
and then we got Damian Lillard, orange. It's pretty sweet. All right, last pack. Let's see who we got. DeJounte Murray, Anthony Simons, Jalen Williams, and a Zach LaVine prism.
Nice.
So that's what we pulled. All right, guys. We'll talk to y'all later. Thank you. Bye.
See ya.